Hey everyone, welcome back to Ms. Lily English. I'm Lily, and today we're diving into one of the easiest and somehow trickiest topics in English, talking about your favorite food. And of course, I'm not here alone.
And I'm Jason, happily here, because when Lily said food, I didn't even ask what the lesson was. I just showed up.
See, that's the power of food. It brings people together, even when they don't know why they're here. But really, today we're going to help you talk about your favorite food naturally, like in a real conversation, not like a boring textbook.
Right, because no one in real life says, my favorite food is pizza. Full stop. Humans have emotions and cravings and the ability to eat a family-sized pizza alone, no judgment.
I feel like that was a personal confession.
It absolutely was, and I regret nothing.
Anyway, let's start simple. Jason, what's your favorite food?
The question that reveals a man's soul. If I have to choose, I'd say pizza. A big, hot, cheesy slice straight from the oven. It's my weakness, like kryptonite.
Kryptonite? Oh, please. You've mentioned pizza so many times, I'm starting to think your blood type is mozzarella.
Honestly, if that were possible, I wouldn't complain.
Okay, pizza boy. What kind of pizza?
Margarita, tomato, mozzarella, basil. Simple, elegant. The little black dress of pizzas.
I can't believe you just compared pizza to fashion.
And yet, you can't unhear it.
Fine. As for me, my favorite food is sushi. It's fresh, colorful, delicious, and every bite feels like a tiny piece of art.
Wow, listen to that description. See, that's exactly what learners should do. When you talk about your favorite food, say why you like it.
Yes. Don't just say, I like noodles. Add a reason. For example, I like noodles because they're warm and comforting.
Or, I love pizza because it's cheesy and makes me forget all my problems.
A little dramatic, but fair.
Let's give learners a quick practice. Repeat after us. I love pasta because it reminds me of home.
Next, I like spicy noodles because they wake me up.
Great. And you can also use adjectives like sweet, salty, crunchy, creamy, crispy, and tender to describe food.
For example, I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy.
Or, I enjoy fried chicken because it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside.
And remember, when you talk about food, smile a little. It actually makes your voice sound more natural.
True. English isn't just about grammar. It's also about feeling.
You know, food is perfect for small talk too. If you want to start a friendly conversation, you can ask, what kind of food do you like?
Or, do you like spicy food? Just don't ask a stranger, what did you eat for breakfast? That's a little too personal.
Jason, you literally asked me that yesterday.
Yeah, but we're not strangers, and I was curious.
Okay, let's help learners build a mini conversation. I'll start. What's your favorite food?
I really like pasta. What about you?
I love sushi because it's light and healthy.
Boom! A simple, natural conversation.
Now, here's something important. Adding a memory can make your answer more interesting. Like, I love pizza because my dad used to make it on weekends.
That's beautiful. Memories make conversations feel real, not robotic.
Yes, people connect through feelings, not perfect grammar.
Speaking of feelings, let's teach some helpful phrases to talk about food you don't like, politely.
Number 1, I'm not a big fan of.
Number 2, it's not really my thing.
Number 3, I don't usually eat.
For example, I'm not a big fan of spicy food.
I'm not really my thing.
I don't usually eat fast food.
See, you're not being rude, you're just being honest. Nicely.
And if you really want to soften it, just smile while you say it. Works every time.
Let's talk about describing food using the senses. Taste, smell, sound, touch.
Yes, Learners often forget about sound, but food can sound amazing.
For example, the soup smells amazing.
The bread feels warm and soft.
The noodles taste spicy and rich.
Or my favorite, the bacon sizzles like music.
As expected, a poetic moment from Jason.
I can't help it. Food brings out my inner Shakespeare.
All right, let's pause and ask our viewers, what's your favorite food?
Say it out loud. Use one of the phrases we practiced.
Something like, I'm a big fan of...
Or, I love blank because blank.
Perfect. And don't worry about sounding perfect.
Yes, if you pause for 5 seconds to find the perfect grammar, the food might get cold.
Very wise.
I try.
And since you're suddenly so wise about food, let's move on to something everyone needs: ordering food at a restaurant. A lot of learners freeze when the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Yeah, it's like their brain just flies away for a vacation. The waiter is waiting, the menu is shaking in their hands, and all they can say is,
Don't worry, everyone. After today, you'll be able to answer that question confidently. The simplest way is to say, I'd like, or can I have?
For example, I'd like a bowl of noodles, please.
Or, can I have the chicken salad, please?
And don't forget the magic word, please. It's small, but it makes you sound friendly and polite.
Now, what if you want to change something, like removing onions or adding extra cheese?
That's easy. You can say, can I have it without onions?
Or, could you make it a little less spicy?
And if you want to sound extra cute to the waiter, can I have it with extra cheese?
Jason, not everything is about cheese.
I respectfully disagree.
Let's try a short restaurant dialogue. I'll be the customer, and you be the waiter.
All right, let's go.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like any sides?
Yes, I'll have mashed potatoes, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
See? Easy and natural.
But what if your order comes out wrong, or there's a mistake?
Great question. You can say, "Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake."
Not, this is wrong.
No, that's way too rude.
Instead, use polite phrases like, this is a bit too salty for me, or, could I have it a little warmer, please?
Being polite helps you avoid awkward situations, and it keeps the waiter from hating you.
Exactly. And when someone invites you for dinner, there's a whole different set of expressions.
Yes, even before eating, you can say, "It looks delicious," or "It smells great."
And after eating, you can say, this is amazing, or thank you for the meal.
In some cultures, people say, "It was lovely" when they finish.
Short sentence, big meaning.
Speaking of meaning, let's talk about comfort food. Jason, what's yours?
Chicken soup. It reminds me of home. My mom used to make it for me when I was sick.
Oh, that's sweet.
Don't judge me. Childhood memories are powerful.
I'm not judging. My comfort food is warm rice with a fried egg. It tastes like peace after a long day.
See? Everyone has a food that feels like a hug.
And when you share that story in English, it helps people understand you, not just your vocabulary.
Absolutely. Let's give learners some example sentences.
I love pancakes because my dad made them on Sundays.
Spaghetti reminds me of a trip to Italy.
Hot chocolate makes me feel like a child again.
Now let's switch to vocabulary, our mini spotlight.
Yes, here are 7 useful words to describe food. Number 1, savory. Rich in flavor, not sweet.
Example, I love savory snacks like fries.
Number 2, tender. Soft and easy to chew.
The meat is tender and juicy.
Number 3, crunchy. That crispy sound when you bite.
I like crunchy cookies.
Number 4, flavorful. Full of taste.
This soup is flavorful and delicious.
Number 5, spicy. Hot and full of strong flavors.
Indian curry is very spicy.
Number 6, fresh. Just made. Natural.
The salad tastes fresh.
And number 7, rich, heavy and strong in flavor.
This chocolate cake is so rich.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Savory, tender, crunchy, flavorful, spicy, fresh, rich.
Wow, you all sounded like chefs.
Now let's use them in sentences.
I love tender steak.
I prefer spicy noodles.
I enjoy fresh juice in the morning.
Amazing.
And by the way, learning new vocabulary isn't the end. You should use them to describe food to friends.
For example, you should try this soup. It's warm and flavorful.
Or, this salad is so fresh and crunchy.
You're really leveling up your food English now.
But before we continue, Lily, I have a question.
Oh boy, what is it?
Have you ever tried a food you absolutely didn't like?
Yes, durian.
Ah, yes, the legendary fruit of confusion.
It smelled like socks, but tasted interesting.
I once tried it in Thailand. I respect the people who love it, but I couldn't finish one bite.
For learners, here's a polite way to say it. I tried it once, but it wasn't for me.
Yes, and also, it's not really my thing.
Soft, friendly, and still honest.
Just like me.
Jason, you're honest to a fault.
I take that as a compliment.
Since you take everything as a compliment, let's keep going before your confidence gets any bigger. Now that we've talked about comfort food, polite phrases, and describing taste, I think it's time to level up the fun part, food idioms. Learners love them, and they make English sound so natural.
Oh yes, food idioms are everywhere. And the cool thing is, once you learn them, you start hearing them in movies, songs, even when people talk casually.
Let's start with a super easy one, piece of cake. It means something is very easy.
For example, that exam was a piece of cake. Or, speaking English with Miss Lily English is a piece of cake.
That last one better be true.
It is. I speak only facts.
Another idiom is spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret.
Like, come on, spill the beans. What happened yesterday?
Next is one of my favorites, cool as a cucumber. It means someone is calm, even in a stressful situation.
Lily was cool as a cucumber when the camera fell over during filming last week.
Don't remind me. I nearly had a heart attack inside, but outside I stayed calm.
That's the spirit. And here's another idiom, big cheese.
It means an important person.
Like, he's the big cheese in the company.
And one more, have a lot on your plate.
It means you're busy, very busy. Like, I can't go out tonight. I have a lot on my plate.
Let's practice quickly. Repeat after us. Piece of cake, spill the beans, cool as a cucumber, big cheese, have a lot on your plate.
Awesome.
You see, idioms help you express emotions in a more fun and natural way.
And when you use them, native speakers feel like you really get it. They connect with you more.
Speaking of connection, Jason, when you travel, do you notice how food changes from country to country?
Absolutely. In Japan, people say itadakimasu before eating. It's a way to show gratitude.
In Italy, meals are slow and full of conversation. People stay at the table for hours.
And in Thailand, street food is like a festival. Colors, sounds, smells, it's incredible.
Food is culture. It's not just fuel, it's how people share love without words.
And English helps you express that experience anywhere in the world.
Let's teach learners some polite, travel-friendly phrases.
Number 1, everything looks delicious.
Number 2, thank you, this is wonderful.
Number 3, I'm full, thank you. It was really good.
These phrases keep you polite in any culture.
And remember, tone is more important than big vocabulary.
Very true. Food also teaches gratitude. Every meal is a reminder that we're lucky to have something to eat and share.
That's deep. I like it.
Thank you. Sometimes I surprise even myself.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's give the learners a final practice.
Repeat after us. I love cooking because it brings people together.
My favorite food reminds me of home.
I enjoy trying new dishes when I travel.
Excellent. You're not just learning English, you're learning how to connect with people around the world.
And don't worry about mistakes. Even native speakers mess up sometimes.
Absolutely. Progress comes from practice, not perfection.
Every time you speak, you get a little better.
And confidence is the secret ingredient in language learning.
Whether you love noodles, soup, pizza, or sushi, talk about it. Share your feelings, your memories, your experiences.
Because when you talk about something you love, your English becomes alive.
All right, before we officially say goodbye, let's do one more vocabulary spotlight, Charlotta style.
Woohoo! Let's go!
First word, delicious, very tasty.
This cake is delicious.
Second, yummy, informal, like delicious.
These cookies are yummy.
Third, appetizing, looks or smells good.
That soup looks appetizing.
Fourth, bland, no flavor.
The rice tastes bland.
Fifth, greasy, too oily.
Fast food can be greasy.
Sixth, healthy, good for your body.
Salad is a healthy choice.
And seventh, guilty pleasure, something you enjoy but feel a little bad about.
Chocolate is my guilty pleasure.
Repeat after us. Delicious, yummy, appetizing, bland, greasy, healthy, guilty pleasure.
Great job!
Look at how much you learned today. You can now describe your favorite food, use idioms, speak politely in restaurants, and share memories through English.
And most importantly, you spoke with emotion, because English without feeling is like food without flavor.
Beautifully said, Jason.
Thank you, Lily. I practiced that in the mirror.
Of course you did.
All right, everyone, here's your challenge. Comment below. My favorite food is blank because blank.
We'll read your answers in the next episode.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend who loves food as much as you do.
Even if you remember just one phrase today, you're already improving. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep adding flavor to your English every day.
This is Jason.
And this is Lily from Miss Lily English. Thank you for learning with us. Stay kind, stay curious, and keep your words warm like your favorite meal. Bye, everyone.